If you struggle with migraines, you've likely seen ads for the Ornexis Migraine Pillow, a pillow claiming to stop migraines at the source by fixing neck alignment while you sleep. But the real question is, does it actually help, or is it just clever marketing? Let's dive in. So according to the official website, the Ornexis pillow is designed to support your cervical spine in a natural curve, reduce neck tension, and ease pressure on nerves that might trigger migraines or morning headaches. They say it's a drug-free, non-medication approach that works while you sleep, and even offer a 100-night money-back guarantee if it doesn't help. They position it as addressing the root cause of migraine triggers rather than just masking the pain. So what's reality like? Online migraine forums show mixed experiences. Some people say ergonomic pillows like the Ornexis style ease neck tension and help with posture, which can reduce tension-related headaches and sometimes migraines for certain individuals. Others feel the marketing looks scammy and emphasize that a pillow alone won't cure migraines, especially if they're neurological in nature. This kind of feedback is typical with ergonomic pillows. Some users get noticeable relief from neck strain, while others see no significant change in migraine frequency or intensity. Here's where expectations matter. A supportive contour pillow can help reduce neck tension and improve sleep posture, which may indirectly reduce headaches for some people. But there's no strong clinical evidence that any pillow can cure migraines, which are a neurological condition with diverse triggers beyond neck alignment. Independent reviewers point out there is no published medical research proving this specific product delivers on its bold migraine claims. So while it might help with comfort, posture, and some tension headaches, calling it a medical cure overstates what ergonomic pillows can reliably do. Some of its pros: it can improve neck alignment and comfort. It might reduce tension-related headaches in some users, and a 100-night trial means you can test it risk-free. However, it's not a proven migraine cure. Mixed user feedback results are inconsistent, and some people find similar relief from affordable ergonomic pillows. For comparison, more mainstream options include pillows like LB Ram's cervical pillow for neck pain relief or Elvira cervical memory foam pillow, which offer ergonomic support at different price points. So does the Ornexis migraine pillow actually help? Yes, it can help some people with neck tension, sleep posture, and related headaches. However, it's not a medically proven cure for migraine, and not everyone will see meaningful results. If your migraines are tied to neck strain, it may be worth a try, especially with their trial period. But keep your experiences realistic. This is supportive comfort, not a guaranteed treatment. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.